Did you get that? Yep, you did. Sweet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Right 5 short, 50. Left 5 over small crest, 50. And long small crest, 100. Then right 5 plus short into left 6 short, 30. And right 6 into fast left 4 plus over long crest, opens. Then kings over 150. Right 5 plus 30. Long crest, then kings over 250. Then stay right over crest into left 5 plus. Into right 6 plus 50. Then left 5 plus over crest. Into care, right 6 long over small crest. Tightens 5 minus long over big crest, 50. Then right 6. Into left 5 minus, 150. Then slowing left 6 plus over small crest into care, right 6, 30, turn, right 2 plus at T, 120. Right 5 plus loose, 100. And left 6, 400. Right 6, 70. And turn left 5 plus. Turn left 5 plus now. And right 5 plus, 100. Narrow to the end, left 6 over small crest, 70. Right 5 plus, 120. Stay left over small crest into left 6 long. Into right 5 long, stay in, 50. Then left 5 plus long, into right 5 plus long, 30. And left 5 plus, into right 5 plus long, care 50. Turn left 3. So right 5 plus long here, care 50, turn left 3. Into right 6 long, tightens. Into left 5 minus loose, 50. Then right 6, 50. Left 4 plus, opens long. Then tightens back to 6. Into right 4 plus, 50. Left 5 short, into small crest, into right 5 minus short, 50. And right 5 plus, into left 5 short, no cut, into right 4 no cut. Left 5 plus, 70. Right 5 minus. Into left 6 plus over small crest, 30. Right 6 over small crest, 70. Left 5 plus into right 4 plus. This is a left 5 plus into right 4 plus. Over small crest, 30. And right 4 minus, 70. Right 4 minus, 70. Left 5, 50. Then small crest into left 6 into right 4 minus, 50.
Oh, fuck. It's my fault. Did it again.
Right 3 short, no cut. Into left 3 minus, no cut, 50. Left 5. Into right 6, 180. Then left 6 plus. And right 5 plus. Into small crest. Into left 5 short. Into right 6 short, 30. Small crest, 350. Small crest 50 and small crest 350. Small jump 150. Then care no jump into left 6 plus. Into right 6 plus over crest deceptive and down 300. Slowing at long crest 70 left 4. Then 200. Left 6 over crest into right 5, 50. Loose starts now. Then right 4 over small crest, 70. And double caution, braking left 6 over small crest into left 2 plus loose. Double caution, braking left 6 into left 2 plus loose, 70. then crest, into right 3 plus down, 100, left 4 into small crest 70, right 4 through gate, 70, right 6, 150, loose should end now, small crest into right 5 plus 70, then left 6 over rocks, gonna be rough now, 120, then slowing right 6, 30, left 4 no cut over small crest, into right 6 over small crest, 200, then left 4 plus over small crest, 50, right 4 no cut opens, 70, left 5 short over rocks, 50, then right 6 plus over small crest, 50, left 4 plus, into right 4 loose, 30, left 5 plus, 30, left 6 over small crest long, tightens to 4 plus 100, left 5, 120, right 4 plus short, 30, right 5 short, 100, left 4, 50, left 4 now, 50, right 6, 150, left 5 plus over small crest, opens through gate, 120, then left 6 plus over small crest into right 5 plus, 50, left 6 over small crest, into right 6 plus, into slowing crest 40, care, turn left 3, long, deceptive over crest 70, finish 250,